Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to connect with a Service Pro. To get started, go over to the left side menu and select Contacts. From here, you'll want to select Service Pros. Next, find the contact card for the service provider that you want to connect with, and you can identify which ones are not connected by the icon here that shows that it is gray. And when you hover over it, it says not connected, as opposed to ones that are lit up green that say that they are connected. In this case, we're going to select Service Provider and connect with this Service Pro. To connect with the Service Pro, simply go over to the Actions menu in the upper right corner and select Send Connection. From here, you'll notice that it's asking you to confirm the email address. Once you have confirmed that the email is accurate, simply click Send Request. Congratulations, you have sent a connection request to this service provider to this email address. The email address is going to include a link that is going to prompt the Service Pro to select the link and approve the connection request on TenantCloud, at which point you will be able to share maintenance requests and they will be able to bill you for services provided, and you'll be able to pay them through the TenantCloud system. It is important to note that there must be an email address associated with the service provider in order to connect with them on TenantCloud. Now that the service provider has received that connection request, let's see what that looks like. Here we are logged into the service provider account, and you can see here that it has 4 simple buttons on the left side, and it's got the notification icon in the upper left corner. We'll select that and you'll see here that the connection request is sitting inside of the account, which this will only happen if the service provider already has a TenantCloud account. If they do not yet have a TenantCloud account when you send them that connection request email, instead it will have the link to connect with you, but instead of logging them in, it will prompt them to create a TenantCloud account, at which point it will automatically connect with you on TenantCloud since it was your link that you sent them to sign up. In the event that they just go to tenantcloud.com and do not select the link in the email and create an account that way, then you may need to resend them the connection request in the event that they did not use your email link. For the service provider, all they have to do is select Accept. It is also going to ask them to create a new contact or link to an existing contact. However, there is no contact in this account for this property manager, so we'll keep it selected to create a new contact and select Connect. Success, the connection request has been accepted. Now we'll go back to the property manager's account. We are back in the property manager's account, so now let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Connection accepted. Service Pro service provider has accepted the connection request. Now you are set up and can collaborate within TenantCloud. From here, you'll notice that the icon is now lit up green, and when you hover over it, it says connected. So now you can do all of your collaboration with this Service Pro in the TenantCloud system, including sending them messages that are secure in the TenantCloud portal, as well as sharing and assigning maintenance requests to them, paying them, and also viewing any associated reports for this service provider. And that is how easy it is to connect with the Service Pro on TenantCloud. To get started for free, simply go to www.tenantcloud.com and click Sign Up Today.